Hello, I'm Jens Peter Christensen from TinyMobileRobots. I'm the CEO of the company producing small robots for surveying. You can see it here. It's a robot that can be used for measurement and marking. You can use your own GNSS receiver or your own total station for positioning, or you can buy a version with built-in GNSS receiver. It's smart for marking points because it can mark up to 600 points in 1 hour, which is about 10 times more efficient than a person. You can also use the robot for pre-marking lines. You can mark about 4 kilometers of lines in about 1 hour, which means that you can make 32 kilometers of line in 1 day. It's used very much for pre-marking on lines on motorways, harbours, airports, and you can also, as another thing, use the robot for measuring heights, where you use a total station and a prism on the robot, and then you can get millimeter precise heights. If you're interested in more information about our robot, please look at our webpage, tinymobilerobots.com.